Hi guys, my name is Teresa and I'm here to help you find joy in speaking Czech. Previously, I've made a video about the actual practical tips on mastering Czech cases. I've suggested that you should focus only on one model at a time. And today I'd like to focus on these models in Czech. What are they and how can they help you to progress and practice your Czech? Let's begin. Memorizing the long lists and grammar charts of the Czech cases can be pretty boring and it can discourage you from learning Czech. Therefore, I created the Simplified Czech Cases course where you will master the system of Czech cases in a practical and engaging method through short stories. You will start using Czech cases in context rather than memorizing isolated phrases. The link to the course is down below. Go check it out. In Czech, we have a system of patterns that help us decide which ending we should put in the end of the word for each case. Long story short, there are 4 models per each gender. And you remember that we have 3 grammatical genders in Czech. Now, these 4 models are different and they have therefore different endings. For example, for the feminine gender, there are 4 models: žena, růže, píseň, kost. And so words or nouns, if you want, that end in an A, in the nominative dictionary form, they will follow the model žena. For example, mám ráda knihu, mám ráda ženu. So kniha will follow the model žena. Since there are so many models and endings, I suggest that you only focus on one model per each gender. In my YouTube videos and also in my Simplified course, I chose one model that is the most frequent one per each gender, and so you can A, understand the system of cases better and faster, and B, you can practice on relevant examples rather than learning the whole grammatical tables. So for the feminine, I chose žena because most of the words in the feminine gender end in an A. Then for the neutral gender, I chose a town, město. For the masculine inanimate, I chose hrad, a castle, so this should be fairly easy. You can remember Pražský hrad, Prague Castle. And for the masculine animate, the model that I chose is pán. It means a gentleman. So let's say vidím pána, I see a man, I see a gentleman. If I want to replace it with a student, I will say vidím studenta. These models are official ones that we learn at school. Don't ask me why we chose these models, but I really suggest for you that you pick only one and you practice with one model, otherwise your head will explode. Now it's time to practice. To je moje oblíbená kniha. Tahle kniha je hodně populární v Česku. Jmenuje se Prázdniny v Evropě. Autor knihy se jmenuje Ladislav Zibura. Mám ráda toho pána, toho autora. The accusative singular for the masculine animate. Mám ráda tuhle knihu, like tuhle ženu. The model žena, mám ráda ženu, mám ráda knihu. Also the accusative singular. V Evropě or o ženě. Evropa, žena. Auto. Já nejsem v autě, nejsem ve městě. Město, the locative case, ve městě, v autě. Strom, na stromě, like, na hradě. Masculine, inanimate, the locative case. These were just some practical examples of using the Czech cases. Of course, you can learn by heart all the endings, but it's much more efficient, in my opinion, to learn the model and then you just replace it with your own examples. Now, I have some questions for you. Znáš nějakého českého autora? Co si myslíš o tom autorovi, o tom pánovi? The locative case, masculine animate. Máš rád českou knihu? Jak se jmenuje ta česká kniha? Jak často čteš knihy? That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and now it's your turn. Comment on the video and reply to my questions and feel free to add your own examples. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell button if you don't want to miss another video. If this video was valuable to you, I would appreciate your support on my Patreon page. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.